Good day to you, TeleSoftas Human Resources Manager. My name is Kelvin Okonkwo, and I am a C-sharp backend developer. I'm here now to narrate to you how I am the best fit for the C-sharp backend developer intern at your organization. Firstly, I have a solid understanding of the C-sharp language. I am well grounded in the knowledge of the C-sharp programming language, and this I have demonstrated through both academic coursework and practical projects. I am well knowledgeable with the C-sharp syntax, the object-oriented programming principles, and best practices for developing back-end solutions. These skills I have demonstrated in some of the projects I have handled, which involve data modeling, API development, and database management using C-sharp and structured query language. Secondly, I possess strong problem-solving capabilities. I have this capacity to be able to break down complex problems into simpler ones and then provide solutions for them. I give you an instance. I once encountered a tough backend blocker while I was handling one of the projects I was part of while I'm in Decathlon. And it required a well-grounded understanding of C-sharp language and database architecture. So, I employed the Visual Studio debugging tool and was able to capture the actual bug. Then, I implemented error logging using the iLogger interface, and I was able to log the particular error to the EF core error log file. So utilizing the result of this diagnosis, I had to restructure my code in order to optimize database queries and ensure performance enhancements. This resulted in a 20% improvement of system efficiency. This challenge and experience not only sharpened my technical skill and my problem-solving skill, but also buttressed my commitment towards delivering high-quality solutions as a backend developer. Thirdly, I have this adaptability and eagerness to learn. I am passionate about learning new skills, as I know the tech world is always evolving and strongly dynamic. Therefore, I am ready to keep myself abreast of emerging technologies and industry trends. I have demonstrated this before. I quit my role as a senior scientific officer with Anambra State Ministry of Health just to pursue my passion as a techpreneur. And then, in just some few months of studies and training, I became able to write good codes. And today, I can boast of writing clean, scalable, and well-structured codes that can be part of good running applications. I hope that if I am able to get the opportunity to join TeleSoftas, I am going to have the capacity and opportunity to further expand my skills and contribute to innovative projects, and as well gain valuable hands-on experience under well-seasoned mentors at TeleSoftas. This is my passion. Then, with regards to what interests me most about backend development, I am particularly drawn to backend development due to the foundational role it plays in the shaping of the functionality of an application. The ability to architect the unseen infrastructure that powers the entire system is a big motivation for me. Backend development allows me to perform data management using entities, work with databases, and create APIs using server-side logic, and I find this incredibly intriguing. I am so elated by the fact that I implement efficient algorithms and data structures that enhance the overall performance of a software solution, which are yet scalable to accommodate future growth and changes. This capability makes back-end development a field that truly resonates with my interests and career aspirations. Lastly, I want to state that back-end development is all it takes, about all it takes to have a good project in terms of an application. Let's take an instance where a structural engineer or an architect starts the building of a house from writing the plan and then building the house up to the roofing. Then finally, a painter comes to paint the building just to give it a facelift. No one says that the painter builds the house, but the structural engineer builds the house. That is backend for you. I don't mean to undermine the capacity of my front end